In this video I'm going to show you how to change the created date on a PDF. So what we will do, we will open our PDF file. As you can see, I have a PDF file over here. Now if we will click on the three dots on the right top side, then you have the option Document Properties. Select that. And now we can view the created date of this PDF file. This is the created date. So if we would like to change this to another date, then you need to follow the following steps. So we will close it out and then we will go to the website seda.com. Now if you select that, then you will see a lot of options. We will go to all tools and then go all to the right side where you will find edit metadata. So we will select that and now we can upload our PDF file into here. So select the preferred PDF file. This is this one for us. So we will select it and now open it. And as you can see, there are two available options. We can completely delete the metadata from the doc, or we can update specific fields. We would like to choose the second option, since we only want to change the created date of the PDF file. So select that, then go a little bit down, and as you can see, here we have the creation date. So what we can do now is basically change this date to another date, and then we can update it. So let's say we would like to change it to this year, 2025. So now we have changed the year and we can go all the way down. You can also set some other things, but for now we will leave it with the creation date since we want to change that only. So we will go to update PDF metadata and select it. Now it will be processed. As you can see, it is processed and we can download the new file with the updated created date. So download the file, after that open the file and go again to the right dot on the right top corner and select Document Properties. Here you can see the created date with a updated date. And this is how you change the created date on a PDF. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!